Welcome back. This is Module 4. Now that we've selected our most important customer segment and clarified our value propositions, it's time to focus on channels and customer relationships. At the basic level, channels are the mechanism for how we communicate with and deliver our value propositions to our customer segment. What channels have in common is that they are touch points that play a critical role in customer satisfaction and customer retention. Channels are typically broken down into types and phases. Examples of channel types are your sales force, web sales, stores, wholesalers, and depending on the type of product, distribution centers. Channel phases. As we discussed, channels play a very key role in customer communications. The traditional channel phases are awareness, evaluation, purchase, delivery, and after sales. Building block number 4, customer relationships. Customer relationships are very closely tied to channels. Every business needs to decide what kind of relationship will be required in order to make the business model work. Customer segments and customer relationships can range from highly personal to highly automated. Categories typically include personal assistants, dedicated personal assistants, which happens a lot in the business-to-business marketplace, self-service, automated services, and at the ultimate level, the co-creation of products and services with your customers. It's important that all entrepreneurs and innovators remember that the strategy you use to attract and acquire customers may be very different from the strategy you use to retain your best customers. In fact, research shows that the best path to profitability often comes more from customer retention than customer acquisition. Okay, as an example, for my business model canvas project, I'm thinking that the most important channels will be the creation of a direct sales force and an innovative and engaging website that offers program demos that will help parents of college-age students to quickly understand and experience our value propositions. Now let's look at customer relationships. Again, research tells us that we, as human beings, are not thinking creatures who feel, but rather feeling creatures that think. Let me repeat that. As human beings, we are not thinking creatures who feel, but rather feeling creatures that think. So we need to determine which positive emotions do we need to focus on in order to effectively create, deliver, and capture value. With regards to our new product, the Career Readiness Mobile Learning Program, we will deliver a product emotional interface that focuses on 3 positive emotions. Confident. Our objective is to have parents view us as the trusted curators for finding the best career planning information, techniques, and tools. Positive emotion number 2, powerful. We want parents to feel like they have high-quality, powerful career experts who can both help and influence their children to create a realistic and winning career plan. And then the last positive emotion, optimistic. If they buy our product, parents will be more optimistic that the investment that they made in their son or daughter's college education will pay off by their child landing a great job in their most desired career field. Again, now it's your turn. Here are your Module 4 assignments. First, make sure you participate in the discussion and answer the question, what is the most important thing I learned while watching the animated video titled Navigating the Environment? Second, there are 2 application assignments. With your idea in mind, identify and describe your channels. Describe and determine the desired customer relationships. And then add your decisions, just like I did, to your business model canvas. Good luck, and I look forward to working with you in Module 5.